Right, well, let's get caught up with the global headlines we're following at the start of the work week. For that, we turn to our Eunice Kim, standing by at the NewsCenter. Hello there, Eunice.
Good morning, Mark.
Now, the United States has confirmed its first known transmission of Ebola, and just like the recent case we all heard about in Spain, it's a healthcare worker.
You're absolutely right, Mark. The nurse had helped treat the Ebola-infected man from Liberia, Eric Duncan, who you'll remember died last Wednesday following 11 days of treatment in the Dallas, Texas hospital. These cases are really highlighting the risks healthcare professionals face on the front lines, regardless of where they are in the world. Our Kim Min-ji has this story.
U.S. health officials have confirmed that a healthcare worker in Texas has contracted Ebola, marking the first known transmission of the virus in the U.S. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control announced Sunday local time that preliminary blood tests were positive. The nurse, who was reported to have had a low-grade fever on Friday, had tended to a Liberian man who died of the virus at a Dallas hospital last week. The CDC director warned that more workers could have been exposed to the virus, attributing the nurse's infection to a breach of safety protocol. He said a full investigation would be launched into the matter.
We are evaluating other potential healthcare worker exposures, because if this individual was exposed, which they were, it is possible that other individuals were exposed. We know that this individual did provide care to the index patient on multiple occasions, and that care included extensive contact.
Hospital officials say the worker had been wearing protective gear during treatment, which includes gowns, gloves, masks, and shields. The nurse is said to be in a stable condition. In a statement later in the day, U.S. President Barack Obama urged federal authorities to take immediate additional steps to ensure hospitals and healthcare workers nationwide are prepared to follow protocols should they tend to an Ebola patient. The current Ebola outbreak, the worst of its kind, has killed more than 4,000 people, mostly in West Africa, with over 8,000 infected. But with thousands of Liberian healthcare workers set to go on an indefinite strike late Monday night over a pay dispute, efforts to contain the spread could be put at risk. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.